Hello and welcome to Floorex. We've recently had a lot of requests to add a handle to the Portamix. So we worked along with our customers and through feedback have developed the Floorex Portamix handle. So this is a very simple device which simply fits onto the motor mount. It fits both models of Portamix, and all it does is really brings the handle up higher and further back as well. So to fit the unit, we just simply slide this bracket off here and put the handle onto the back of the motor mount. Then slide the bracket over the whole assembly. And then tighten the two bolts. It's very simple to fit. Once you've tightened the two nuts with the spanner, you now have a handle at the back here which is higher off the ground, and is also, when you tilt the machine, it is also higher as well, being further back. So this handle has a few advantages to the user. First being, when you're wheeling the material to the job site, you have handles more at the user height for pushing the machine along. So the traditional handles are further down, a little bit more crouched over. These handles are further up, and you have a straighter back and you can walk a lot better. In addition to that, when you're pouring, often the Portamix is a little bit top heavy because of the motor, and also the added, in the 80 series, the added weight at the top. So when you're pouring, the first initial stages of pouring are often a little bit top heavy. This handle makes it a little easier to tip. And then when you get to the latter stages of pouring, you have a handle that's further up off the body of the Portamix and more at the user's height. So this assists greatly in dispensing the product. So there you have the Floorex Portamix handle. These are available online. Head to floorex.com.au or request yours today at sales@floorex.com.au.